Welcome to the amazing digitals! My name is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping hard stuff.
Golden, silver, and cleaner too. Dragon, the cosmos. Day after day after day after day after day after day after day we
Die!
Where?
Kane, is this one of your NPCs or is this a new sucker? Because if it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song.
No! My! It appears a new hitch has entered this realm!
Who are you people?
Why can't I take it off? Where am I?
Let's just try to calm down. Everything's gonna be okay, new stuff. We've all been through this.
What is going on? What?
Sorry, sir, this is a Christian server, so now swear.
Oh my god. Well, how do I, leave?
What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
How about we talk about something else? Like your name!
How am I supposed to know this?
Do you like adventure? Activity? Wonder? Danger? Horror? Pain? Suffering? Pain? Death? Disease? Death? Angel food cake? Ow! You parasite! We're gonna make it a simple, in-house adventure to warm you up to how things work around here.
What? No, God. I don't want an in-house adventure.
Don't worry, Zooble. I'll make it something unobtrusive that you can still choose to not get involved with. Today's adventure is... Gather the gloinks!
Oh no, they killed Zooble. Anyway, you guys wanna go get something to eat?
No.
You, me, and Pomni will go check on Kaufmo, which leaves Crybaby and Hoo-Ha together to go handle the Zooble situation.
Do you think pairing them up together is a good idea?
Of course I do. They're the two most mentally stable and capable characters to be paired together.
My comedy mask is broken again.
This is where we all live. Or well, where we all sleep at night. Even though we don't really need to sleep, it's sometimes nice to kind of take a break from everything and have a bit of a routine, you know? I'm sure there'll be one for... look, we already got one.
Thank goodness this is all a dream, right, Pomni?
Huh. Maybe he's not in his room? I hope he's alright.
Don't worry, bitch. I've got a key to his room.
Wait, why? You shouldn't have keys to anyone's room.
Nah! I've got keys everywhere, and you've all been fine. By the way, I may have left something in your room today, so let me know if you find it. You're not afraid to sleep, are you?
Jax! That's literally my only fear. Why would you do this?
What? It could be a completely unrelated question. You'll never know until it's too late.
Oh, shit! Oh, hell no, I'm out of here.
What is that?
It might be that terrible thing I was talking about earlier when you reach your breaking point.
Huh?
Okay, wait. Maybe there's still time to fix him if we get Kane.
He's already dead.
Hey, Pommy. Thank you. Help me out here.
No!
Well, shit.
Sup, fellas?
Found the Zooble hole.
Die!
An insect collection?
I think it's a nest. Hello? Kane?
I am under the water.
The fuck?
Kane?
What's up?
Peace.
Gotcha! Oh.
Hey! King are you, mother?
They'll be fine.
God fucking damn it!
You foolish assortment of colorful characters! Do you not realize that everything must be Gloinks? I am Gloinks. You will be Gloinks. God will be Gloinks.
This is
Gay!
Well, yet you're still watching it.
I'm not here for the adventure or anything. I'm just here to hide.
Oh, thank God you're okay. You didn't experience a game show in there, did you?
The fuck?
Oh, Bubble.
You should kill yourself now.
There you go! Now what the happened around here?
Man, I can't believe Kaufmo just gave up like that. I mean, no offense, Kinger, but I always thought you would be next.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit! Drink or sleep in this digital world. So the digital food here only gives off the virtual sensation of eating without any of the nutritional benefits.
Sheesh, lay off it. Since when are you an expert on the digital world?
Expert on the what?